So for us as a family, what's made the school so special is the level of care that the boys and us as a family have received. The care has been not only academic in terms of the support in helping the boys to achieve their best, which really they have, but also the care from a wellbeing and a happiness perspective as well.
We stay in the school because the school is so involved. The children goes happily to school and they support the children. If there is something good or if there is something new, they need extra help, they're always there to support. We joined the school 17 years ago. My older son went through from SS1 up to graduation, and now he's studying international business at York University in England.
DBS has always been very good to us. We've had excellent teachers, and I just feel like they're very easy to approach if there's ever a reason to have to come into the school. And it's a very comfortable environment. My children have absolutely thrived at this school.
When the school got understanding, it just confirmed everything, how we felt about DBS, that it was a happy school. And I always say that if children are happy, if my girls are happy, then they'll achieve as much as they can.